Ni hao. And we're going to do the move number 5, which is a woodfish separates. So separates, what do we want to separate? Actually, we consider 3 dantian, separate 3 dantian. What 3 dantian is? The head upper part is the upper dantian. The middle dantian is the chest. And above here, and lower dantian is underneath the abdominals. So these 3 parts we worked on: the knucklehead and shake his tail. We work on the upper dantian, and we bring in the aroma and work on the chest. And we play the zither, we work on the abdominals. So this, once we practice these 3 dantian, we're gonna separate and put it back together. Just imagine these are 3 parts. We're gonna separate and pack together. So that's the move, the purpose of doing that. So, and loosening up your body, get the chi, move. That is the purpose of the woodfish separates. So the connections, again, the head to your tailbone, 3 dantian, okay? So we're starting with just raising up the shoulders and drop. Pick it up and drop. Inhale, exhale. And on the drop, the part, the shoulder dropping, and also bend the knees, okay? Inhale, exhale. So when you do that and you can feel it, your inside is a stretching and back together, stretching and like an elastic, stretch open and then release. And you have some bouncing feel. Okay, feel your body bouncing up and down. And get that feeling out of it. Okay, and let's do that one more time. Inhale, exhale. So this is the body, the center cord move. And what about the hands? We're gonna add the hand to it, so and make the movements just more flexible. So the hands, you imagine 2 hands, you are holding your hip and your lower body, your hip, and push up and through your chest, shoulder, neck, and head. Just push, you're separating these 3 dantian, and then turn down and pack back together. So you squeeze, pick it up, separate, and back down. So when you go up, just go above your head and let the hand open, stretch open, and press down. When you press down, put some pressure on it, you're putting back together. So, and you like a through your hands down, press something down, okay? So, inhale, go up, exhale, press down. When you go up, just let the hands open up like a V and go, turn the palm down and press down. So that is the move. Feel that they're separating and come back together. Okay, that is the move. So when you practice, just get that in mind. You're separating and packing together, separate and pack together. So just say freely, feel free to do your move. Okay. Okay, and then at the end, you just loosen up your hands, arms, and that's the move for the woodfish separates. Okay, and pack the chi. 谢谢。